Hwange National Park, Zimbabwe, known for its huge herds of elephant, and this place is extremely special. This is Nehimba Safari Camp in the northern sector of the park, run by Imvelo Safaris, and they have a very special relationship with elephants here, as you're about to discover. The numbers of elephants that come into this camp to water is astronomical, and one of the key factors is the water they like the most is out of the swimming pool directly in front of you. I'm currently standing 3 meters from the nearest elephants. These are all bulls, and later today the breeding herds will come in. But it is spectacular to see these behemoths up close and watch their behaviour, as they don't mind our attention whatsoever. Probably rightly so, as there's nothing we could possibly do to harm them. There are the steps leading up into the main dining area, and as you can see, they're very close to visiting. Some of these bulls are gigantic, particularly in stature. Their ivory may not be that long, but as you can see on this bull, exceptionally thick. All the herds are healthy and thriving, but this year in Hwange the rains were late, and we have the anomaly of good grasses and good feed, but very little water out in the bush. So the elephants are moving in more and more now to take the water where it's available, which is usually in the man-made and pumped water holes. This one happens to be right in front of our lodges. A wise old face on a wise old animal.